When we offer a butter lamp to the Buddha, any Buddha that we like, when we offer a butter lamp to the Buddha, what happens is, the Buddha doesn't have darkness. The Buddha does not have any ignorance or any stupidity, nothing. But when we offer to the Buddha doesn't need the butter lamp from us. The Buddha doesn't need our puja. The Buddha doesn't need anything from us. But when we offer the butter lamp to the Buddha, what happens? We create the causes for our own personal darkness to go away. Our personal darkness. What's our personal darkness? Anger. Why is anger a darkness? Because when we show anger, we're unhappy, other people are unhappy. And then it continues. Many people can be killed because of anger. Darkness is what? Jealousy, hatred, miserliness, stinginess, tricking people. Those are our darknesses. Why are they called darknesses? Because those are qualities in us that make us unhappy short term and make other people unhappy long term. So hence those are called darknesses. By offering a butter lamp to the Buddha, the darkness does not go away. By offering a butter lamp to the Buddha, we collect merit. The merit that we collect is stored in our consciousness, in our mind stream. So that when we study the Dharma, when we contemplate on the Dharma, when we think about the Dharma, the information will go in. The information will go in and our mind will change. So the purpose of making butter lamp offerings is for us to help transform our minds.